everyone. In today's video, I'm using some more of these really small palette tools to create some designs. This one is like a cone with a really sharp tip, and I'm wondering if I can use this like a pencil or a pen and create some nice writing. This one is a little bit tapered, and then this one has like an oval spot to it. So I'm going to try each of these. I have a few different colors of paint, and I'm going to I have some black, and I kind of want to use it as like ink and try this one out first and see if, like I said, if I can make it almost like a pen for just some fake writing, faux writing. But just got a nice little amount of paint on my brush, and I'm just going to, so it's kind of like a brush pen. It works okay, but I think I kind of like how it almost looks very faded. So I'm going to keep going with this and fill in this page and then try out the others. And I have a few different colors of paint that I can use, so get some different backgrounds made up. Okay, I like the way that looks. I think you could do a lot of different styles of writing with this. Again, with that nice pointed tip, you could do just some different detailed designs. But I'm going to try my oval one next and see if this is going to be flat enough to get some nice. I'm going to try my green. I love my green. So we're going to see what this looks like. Okay, nice oval pattern. I'm also wondering if you could swipe it down a little bit and get this in a couple of different design styles. Okay. All right, so I did quite a few different designs with that one. I do like the way that one works. These are silicone, so they're nice and flexible, and you can just get some really fun designs and shapes. So I'm going to try this one next, and I want to see what kind of, I feel like I could almost make some leaf patterns with this one. So we're going to try this out and see how this looks. Okay, so that one turned out really nicely also. I like how some areas I can get the leaves nice and thin, and you can see the pages underneath because of the way that the little silicone spatula just pulls the paint. So this is going to be a really fun way to make some petals and leaf shapes on some paintings. But let's get that flipped around. So all of those worked fairly well. I just love the way that that looks. Just a nice faded color. And then my green one here. So yeah, those tools work really, really nicely. I just got them off of Amazon. I had them linked in the previous video that I did with the first couple of these, but I will link them again in case you're seeing this but you haven't seen the other one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.